Are you tired of struggling to save, feeling weighed down by debt, or wondering how to make your money work harder for you? In this video, we're diving into powerful, tried and true money management strategies that you can start using today. Whether you're looking to build wealth, get out of debt, or simply take control of your financial future, these tips will help you transform the way you handle money. Stick around, because what you're about to learn could be the key to unlocking financial freedom. In China, the average household savings rate is around 30% of income, one of the highest in the world. This means that while many other countries struggle to save even 5 to 10%, Chinese families are putting nearly a third of their earnings into savings. This impressive statistic shows a unique and disciplined approach to money management that's deeply rooted in Chinese culture. Chinese families see saving not just as a financial strategy but as a lifestyle choice, with practices passed down through generations. Imagine setting aside 30% of your income consistently. It's a powerful approach to building financial security and achieving long-term goals. Today, let's explore how we can incorporate some of these effective practices into our own lives for better financial health. Learn the ancient secrets of money management from Chinese experts who have mastered the art of wealth creation and preservation. From the importance of saving to investing in the right assets, discover the time-tested strategies that have helped the Chinese build wealth for generations. In this video, we'll dive into the principles and philosophies that have made China one of the world's largest economies. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your finances to the next level, these better money management secrets from Chinese experts will give you the edge you need to achieve financial freedom. Today, managing money is a challenge for many people. Debt, saving, and investing are areas that often cause stress, and traditional advice doesn't always seem to work in our fast-paced world. Debt is one of the biggest obstacles. With easy access to credit cards, loans, and buy now pay later options, it's all too easy to get into debt. Traditional advice to just spend less doesn't address the real issue. Many people aren't taught how to budget effectively or prioritize paying down debt. When debt piles up, interest costs grow, and it becomes harder to break free, making debt feel like a financial trap. Saving is another area where many struggle. In theory, we know saving is important, but with rising living costs, unexpected expenses, and sometimes the temptation to live beyond our means, saving can be difficult. Traditional advice might suggest putting away whatever's left at the end of the month, but realistically, this approach doesn't build consistent savings habits. For many, there's rarely any money left over to save, leaving them feeling stuck in a cycle of paycheck to paycheck living. Investing can be equally intimidating. With so many options and risks, people often feel unsure where to begin. Traditional methods might recommend stocks or bonds, but they may not take into account our individual financial situations, goals, or the volatility of today's markets. As a result, some people avoid investing altogether, missing out on potential long-term growth. These challenges, debt, saving, and investing, highlight why new approaches are necessary. We need practical, adaptable strategies that don't rely solely on old rules but help us manage money in a way that fits our lives today. Let's look to cultures like China, where people approach finances with a balance of discipline, community support, and innovative saving habits to help manage these modern challenges more effectively. Saving money like the Chinese is a powerful way to master money management. Chinese culture has long embraced frugality, smart spending, and disciplined savings. Let's dive into some of their principles for a smarter financial life. Think of savings as an essential bill. In Chinese culture, saving isn't something left for the end of the month, it's one of the first things set aside. Prioritize saving by automatically directing a portion of your income to a savings account. This habit alone can make a huge difference in building financial security. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Next, practice delayed gratification. Chinese savers avoid impulse buys and carefully weigh decisions before spending. Instead of indulging immediately, wait a few days. This cooling off period helps curb unnecessary purchases and ensures that money is only spent on things that truly matter. Living simply is another core principle. Instead of splurging on luxury items or the latest gadgets, focus on quality basics that serve a purpose. Avoid lifestyle inflation, keep living within your means even as your income grows. This simple living mindset builds wealth over time without feeling deprived. Another smart strategy is maximizing resources. Whether it's reusing items, finding multi-purpose products, or investing in durable goods, get the most value from each purchase. This habit reduces waste and saves money, helping you make better use of what you already own. Community saving is also popular. Known as Hui or rotating savings, groups of friends or family pool together a set amount, and each member receives the total sum in turns. This builds a strong network of support while fostering disciplined saving habits. Cooking at home is another secret to financial health. Eating out is an occasional treat rather than a daily habit, which saves a lot over time. Home-cooked meals don't just save money, they're usually healthier, too, helping you save on medical costs in the long run. One of the most impactful and surprisingly overlooked strategies in personal finance is the concept of financial fasting. This involves setting intentional, regular periods where you consciously cut out all non-essential spending, no dining out, no impulse purchases, no shopping for wants-over needs. This practice, rooted in restraint, isn't just about saving money in the short term, it's about recalibrating our spending habits and reconnecting with what truly matters. Financial fasting works because it helps us reset and break the habit of mindless spending. During these fasts, you begin to see the difference between what's essential and what's just convenience. After even a week, you'll likely notice how much you usually spend on things that don't truly add value to your life. This self-imposed pause not only saves money but also reveals which spending habits you actually miss and which you're happy to do without. The beauty of this practice is that it can be customized to fit any budget or lifestyle. You could start with a week, a weekend, or even one day a month to experience the benefits. Over time, financial fasting can help you build a mindset where spending aligns with your values and financial goals, giving you more control and awareness over your finances. Lastly, be mindful of debt. The Chinese cultural perspective sees debt as something to be avoided. Try to pay off debts quickly to free up money for other priorities. By keeping debt to a minimum, you'll avoid interest costs and build a strong financial foundation. What's your favorite money management tip? Drop it in the comments. We'd love to hear how you're handling your finances or saving smartly. Your tips could inspire someone else to take control of their money too. And if you're ready for the next step on your financial journey, check out our video on financial independence. It's packed with insights and practical strategies to help you build lasting wealth and live life on your own terms. Thanks for watching. Now that you've got the tools to better manage your money, it's time to put them into action. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content that helps you build wealth and achieve financial independence. And don't stop here, check out our next video for even more insights and practical advice. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And for more content on mastering your finances and achieving your goals, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, And let's keep growing together. Let's keep pushing toward a life of financial freedom. Before you go, make sure to watch this next video. It's full of actionable insights to help you on your financial journey. Just click over, and I'll see you there.